What if I told you that your body has a built-in reset button? Today, we're going to talk about fasting. And no, not just as some diet trend, but as this really powerful internal healing process that can literally rejuvenate you from the inside out.
Have you ever actually wondered what's going on inside there when you stop eating for a bit? I mean, beyond just feeling a little hungry. It turns out your body kicks off this incredible healing journey, and it all gets started just a few hours in.
Okay, so let's get right to the heart of it. Fasting isn't really about deprivation. It's about giving your body the time and the space it needs to do its thing, to heal from within. Just think of it as a shift, from constantly working on digestion to actively repairing and renewing itself. So, where does this whole process begin? Well, the very first thing that happens is a massive switch in how your body manages its energy. We're talking about blood sugar and, you guessed it, its key partner, insulin.
It's this simple but super powerful chain reaction. See, when you fast, your body doesn't have to pump out so much insulin to deal with sugar from food. And as those insulin levels drop, it's like a signal goes off, telling your body, hey, time to tap into the energy reserves. And that means it finally starts burning stored fat for fuel.
And here's the payoff right away. By giving your system a break, you actually improve your body's sensitivity to insulin. This is absolutely crucial for keeping your blood sugar stable, which, is a huge cornerstone of good metabolic health. It just means your cells get way more efficient at using glucose.
All right, let's move to the next stage, because this is where it builds. Once your body flips that first switch, it starts to fire up its backup generator, this incredible fat-burning engine. And what's amazing is just how fast this happens. We're not talking about days of fasting here. For most of us, after just 10 to 12 hours, your body starts to enter this really powerful metabolic state. And that state has a name. It's called ketosis. It's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. Your body makes a fundamental shift in its main fuel source. So instead of running on glucose, sugar from carbs, it starts running on something called ketones, which it makes by breaking down fat.
So, what does that mean for you in practical terms? Well, there's a really direct link to a pretty common health goal. Because your body is actively using fat for energy, this whole process is a major supporter of weight loss, and it seems to be especially good at targeting that stubborn belly fat around your organs.
Okay, so if ketosis is the fat-burning engine, then this next stage, well, this is the body's deep cleaning crew. And honestly, this is where things get truly amazing, right down at the microscopic level.
This process is called autophagy, which literally means self-eating. And trust me, it's a very good thing. Think of it like your body's internal quality control and recycling program. It goes around, finds old, damaged, junky parts of your cells, and just clears them out, making way for new, healthy cells to regenerate.
I love this analogy because it just captures it perfectly. This isn't some surface-level cleanse. We're talking about a profound renewal happening deep inside your cells, swapping out the old and worn-out parts for the new and efficient ones.
So just to recap, we've stabilized blood sugar, we've started burning fat, and we've kicked off a deep cellular cleanup. But guess what? The benefits don't stop there. These core processes create this awesome cascade of positive effects, a true full-body upgrade.
It really creates this powerful ripple effect through your whole system. Research shows fasting can lower inflammation, it can help balance critical hormones, and, as we're about to see, it has a pretty significant impact on your brain, too.
Yeah, this is a big one. Fasting has been shown to boost a protein in the brain called BDNF. The easiest way to think of it is like fertilizer for your brain cells. It helps your neurons grow, survive, and make new connections. And the result for you? Better focus, an improved mood, and sharper memory. It really is a mental detox. Okay, let's zoom out for a second and put all these pieces together. Let's look at the big picture. Why does any of this matter for your actual day-to-day health and how you feel?
So, let's just run through the key takeaways. Fasting gives your digestive system a much-needed vacation. It triggers processes that are linked to longevity and better energy. It can even make you more mindful about your eating habits, and all of this may reduce your risk of metabolic diseases.
I think this quote just says it all, doesn't it? Fasting is so much more than what you're losing. It's really about what you're gaining. It's a chance to hit that reset button for both your physical and your mental systems.
Now, before we wrap up, a really important note. This process is powerful, and because it's powerful, it's not the right move for everyone.
If you're pregnant, if you have a pre-existing medical condition like diabetes, or if you have any history of eating disorders, it is absolutely essential that you talk to your doctor before trying any kind of fasting. Seriously.
So, as we've seen, our bodies have this incredible innate ability to repair, to reset, and to rejuvenate themselves. The power is already in there, built right into our biology. The only question left is the one on your screen. Your body has a reset button. Are you ready to press it?